entire nation. Researchers at Ohio State are keeping a close eye on the size of the Greenland ice sheet. Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben GELBER has the latest on what they found. Ben?
Yeah, Jennifer, the ice cap, which is 3 times the size of Texas, has been losing mass and is the largest single contributor to rising global sea level. An Ohio State University climate scientist who tracked more than 200 large glaciers in Greenland looks at possible worldwide impacts.
We've known for some time, I would say a decade or so, that the Greenland ice sheet is shrinking, so that it's losing mass more rapidly than is being added by snow accumulating.
OSU climate researcher MICHALEA has traveled to Greenland twice to monitor changes in the ice sheet up close.
These glaciers will extend, both directions to the horizon, and these icebergs can be the size of small towns. These glaciers are drawing out thick ice and breaking it off at the edges, so you see these really big crevasses and cracks.
Her research shows outlet glaciers are melting and draining into the ocean or breaking off into icebergs faster than can be replenished by snowfall on the interior of the ice sheet. Climate scientists are concerned that there's no way to reverse this steady loss of ice in the foreseeable future now that glaciers are sitting in warmer water.
This is going to directly impact the rates of global sea level rise.
Fresh water from melting ice not only raises the risk of coastal flooding in low-lying areas from storm surge and at high tide, but also impacts weather patterns thousands of miles away.
The sheer scale of how enormous these features are is really, it just kind of blows you away.
The remote sensing data show that glacial fronts will continue to retreat even if surface ice melt lessens, which means we could be at a tipping point.
Understanding what the data is telling us about how rapidly these glaciers are changing is really impactful.
Now, Storm Team 4 with Central Ohio's most accurate forecast.
And OSU scientists were the first to install GPS units to monitor the ice in Greenland. Now you can tell September is almost here. Northwest breeze rippling through the short north. Lots of folks taking a stroll along North High Street in very comfortable temperatures after such